Scrapy also supports selectors using XPath. XPath generally specifies the element hierarchy starting off at some root. Here we want to access the title tag starting off from the HTML root. And this gives us access to the title HTML element. You can also look for the title tag anywhere within your page by specifying // title. Let's try a really complex extraction using XPath here. We want the author of this particular quote, that is Eleanor Roosevelt. We'll use the Chrome developer tools to get the HTML hierarchy to this particular element. So there is a div class, within that there is a span, within that there is another span, and within that we get the actual author element. You don't have to manually specify this hierarchy. Chrome offers a very handy utility. When you right click on this element, it'll allow you to copy the XPath to that element directly. And here is what the XPath to that specific element looks like. It's pretty complex, as you can see. You can simply paste in this XPath into your response.xpath function to extract that particular element. Notice how specific this path is. This is the second div, then the first div before that, then the ninth div under that, and the second span. As you can see, you can be really specific about what you want to extract with Scrapy. The cool thing here is that this XPath gave you the general hierarchy to access all of the authors on this page. So if you remove the specific indices, you can access all of the authors on this page. And that's what you see here in the result. If you're not interested in the HTML element, but instead only want to extract the author text, you'll use the text function. And here are all the authors in the form of a list. Scrapy also allows you to combine XPath selection along with CSS selection. Let's say you want all the span elements which have the text class applied. This refers to the elements that contain the actual quotes. Then here you can specify that you want the span element, but only those spans which have the text class applied. And extract will give us all the quotes elements. If you want only the actual quotes text and not the HTML element, you specify the original span and the class that you're interested in as before. And within the elements that you have selected, you want to extract the text value, which you can do by calling the text function. And this gives us our list of quotes.